Alright guys, welcome back to Math 172. We are reviewing polar coordinates and polar equations. This is problem number 2, which says, sketch the graph of this equation. R equals 2 plus 3 sine theta. All right, again, we're going to remember the graph of sine. It starts at 0, goes up to a value of 1, down to 0, down to a value of -1, and then back to 0 when we get to 2 pi. All right, so let's just make a data table. When theta is 0, sine of theta is 0, and r is going to be 2 plus 3 times 0, which is 2. When theta is pi over 2, the sine of theta is 1, so r is going to be 2 plus 3 times 1, so that's 5. When our angle is pi, the sine of that angle is 0. R is going to be 2 plus 3 times 0, which is 2 again. And 3 pi over 2, the sine of that is -1. So we've got 2 plus 3 times -1, which is -1. Okay, remember, when r is -1, that means we go the other way. So in a graph like this, at theta equals 0, r is going to be 2, like this. At theta equals pi over 2, here, r is going to be 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like this. At theta equals pi, r is going to be 2, so 1, 2, right there. And at 3 pi over 2, which is right here, instead of being 1 coming out from the origin, now r is going to be -1. All right, so using these coordinates and what we remember, this is going to look like this. We've got a little loop inside. All right, guys, this is how you sketch a graph of a polar equation. This is problem 2.